So let's take a moment to look at the different tabs on the structure page. When you create or edit your first page, almost always the most important sections will be the page info tab on the left, the content tab in the center, plus the template map on the right, and last but not least, the structure tree on the bottom left. Let's check out these tabs a bit more closer before we start to create our first SOLU page. First off, page info. Page info is almost like the settings tab in any application. It basically holds all the necessary information and options that you need to publish a page. The first thing you will see is the page name and the template that it's using. This page is actually using the default template, and you can see how it looks like on the template map over the right here. But we'll get back to that later. Underneath, we can publish or unpublish the page and select where our website we want to show this page. We can also delete, archive, or copy the page. This is the basic stuff that you will need in most cases when you want to create a new page. Now under More, you will get more options like the search engine optimization, if you have the SEO component installed, that is. Permalink, which sets the address of the page, which template the child page of this page will use, and the version control. We will go through these in more detail in the next tutorial when we create our first SOLU page. Under page info is the structure tree. This is a sitemap which shows all the pages you have created on your website. There are some special folders here, such as the trash can, where all your deleted pages go, and the archive, which holds the pages that you still want to keep but don't want to show on your website. You can also see these special pages that have little lock icons next to them. That icon means that they cannot be deleted and only some of their content fields are available for editing. For example, in this page, ajankohtaista, you cannot edit any of the page info, and from the content, only the banner position is editable. Let's go back to the Testisivu page and check out this content. Now, whatever you see in the center here is the visible content of your web page. By clicking these little plus icons, you will be able to add all sorts of content to your page, from text to media and data. And double-clicking any of the content blocks opens them for editing. On the far right, we see the template map of the page. This is the raw layout of the page. The default template usually has content placeholders in 4 positions: banner image cell on the top, a left sidebar, a multi-cell center column, which is currently selected, and 2 cells for the right sidebar. Feeling confused? Let's look at the page in preview mode and open up the functionality of the template map a bit more. When we look at the preview of the page, we can see the familiar template layout here as well. Banner position, left sidebar, center column with multiple cells, and the right sidebar. So, the purpose of the template map is to give you a better feel of the layout of the page you're creating. And instead of having all the content in a long list, we can just click through the positions we want to add content into. That's about it. In our next tutorial, we'll create a new page from scratch. Tune in tomorrow. Same bad time, same bad channel.